Hey guys, it's Ruhan here. Welcome back to another tutorial of Gdevelop 5. So in this tutorial we'll try to create an endless runner game under 5 minutes. So let's start by creating an empty project, add a new scene, add a sprite, player. So let's make it red. Let's make an obstacle. Okay, let's make it black. Okay, so now let's add a tile sprite, I guess, for ground. Okay, let's create one. Do the work. Okay, so now let's come to event sheet, add a group, game. So at the beginning of the scene we want to create our player. So create an object, player, screen wide /2, screen height /2, this layer. Okay, so now let's create our tile object, ground. Okay, so for that we can do something like screen X position will be 0 and Y position will be like screen height -64. Okay, now let's change our height and width of our ground. Okay, wide of ground will be like screen wide plus 50. Drag it down. Height will be screen height plus 64. Sorry, let's make it 64. Okay, so let's create a timer. Okay, so now image X offset ground, add pass row is to time delta. Okay, now value of the scene timer time in seconds too. Okay, now add an action, reset the timer first of all. Okay, now I forgot to do something. Let's add a platformer character. Let's make it 800 and font speed 800. Okay, and add a platform. Okay, Now let's create our obstacle. Obstacle will be screen white plus 10 and ground y plus 64, sorry, minus 64. Okay, now let's change the height of obstacle, set to random in range 0.5, 1.5. okay, change the wide, set to 1. okay, add force to our obstacle, angle 180, permanent, speed in pixel, random with steps, this will be 100 in start and highest 1300 in 50 steps, I guess. Okay, so now we can add action condition for collision of our player with our obstacles, and let's add another OR, and position of our player is greater than screen height, I guess. okay, change the scene to new scene. okay, let's add another thing also, destroy outside, margin 100. okay, so now let's see preview. Why is okay, I think there's I see scale on y-axis, and let's make it scale on x-axis. I guess now it will work. okay, okay, so now our game is ready. Thanks for watching, hope you guys liked it. Thank you.